Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rotary tools that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Dremel 4300 Rotary Tool Kit. Whether you use it on the job, for your favorite hobby, in the woodworking studio, or for tasks around the house and garage, you'll find the power, speed, and accessories to accomplish your goals in this versatile set from Dremel, the company that introduced the first handheld rotary tool back in 1935. We love its high-performance 1.8 amp motor that has plenty of power for grinding, sanding, cutting, carving, sharpening, and just about any other task you expect from a top rotary tool. And the Dremel airflow system keeps the motor from getting hot, even when your work sessions run long. Moving on at number 4, we have the Wen Steady Grip Rotary Tool with 190-piece accessory kit. This very reasonably priced rotary tool set from Wen might not be the most powerful, but with a 1.3 amp motor and variable speed settings from 8,000 to 35,000 RPM. This is still a fine choice as your introduction to rotary tools or as a versatile addition to your tool collection for a wide range of lightweight crafts, repairs, and projects around your home or garage. Plus, it includes an extensive set of accessories and attachments, 190 pieces total. It even includes 4 sizes of collet, allowing you to use other brands' bits and attachments with shanks from 1/32 of an inch to 1/8 in diameter. At number 3, we have the RotoZip RotoSaw Spiral Saw Toolkit. Many remodeling projects, such as laying tile, installing drywall, putting in cabinets, or working on plumbing, require cuts that aren't easy to make with a regular power saw or similar tool. However, this powerful rotary saw from RotoZip is specifically designed for making plunge cuts. That's a cut in the middle of the work surface that doesn't extend to the edge, as well as free cuts, circular cuts, right angle cuts, and even many oddly shaped cuts. That allows you to work around obstacles such as electrical outlets and switches, pipes, wall studs, and similar objects with ease. The RotoSaw is particularly useful for cutting drywall but also can cut through metal, wood, tile, beadboard, laminate, and most other building materials. It has a 5.5 amp motor with plenty of oomph, yet it's fairly lightweight and comfortable to hold, even when you have to awkwardly maneuver your hand into tight spots. It has one set speed of 30,000 RPM and a bump switch that makes it easy to power on or off with just one hand. At number 2, we have the Milwaukee 2460-20M 12-12-volt rotary tool. If you need power but don't want to be tethered to a cord, then we recommend this robust option from Milwaukee. It runs off a Milwaukee Red Lithium M12 12-volt battery, but note that the battery is sold separately, so if you don't already have one on hand, you'll need to purchase that as well, along with a charger. Designed for professional use, this is a rotary tool with a very sturdy design, plenty of power, and a fairly compact design. It comes with 5 cutting wheels, but it is compatible with all 1/32 shank accessories, so you can use it with attachments from other popular brands and for just about any purpose. And finally at number 1, we have the Goxawee Rotary Tool Kit. If your hobbies include wood carving, jewelry making, or any other detail-oriented craft, then you'll love this versatile rotary tool as much as we do. It comes with a handy kit of accessories that includes a flex shaft, cutting wheels, grinders, drill bits, sanders, buffers, and many other attachments to allow you to work on just about any hobby materials, including wood, tile, glass, seashells, plastic, and more. In total, the kit includes 140 accessories plus a plastic storage box that makes it easy to tote the tool around. The rotary tool has a 1.8 amp motor and a 5-step speed adjustment knob that ranges from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM. The 3-clamp jaw makes it easy to swap out accessories, And you can use attachments from many other brands in the unlikely event that the kit doesn't already include what you need.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.